Very good morning, students. How are you? I think all are fine, right? Students, today in this video class, I am going to share with you classwork for the chapter matter, solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, in that word bank, first word is matter. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. And second word is solution. Okay, solution is a mixture of two or more different substance. Okay, when a solid dissolves in liquid, okay, it forms solution. Okay, for example, salt. Okay, salt or solid, right? When salt dissolves in water, it forms salt solution. Okay, like that. And here next third keyword is melting. Okay, melting is the process in which a solid changes into a liquid on heating. Okay, and next keyword is evaporation. Okay, evaporation is the process in which a liquid changes into a gas. Okay, what happens when water is heated for a long time? On heating, water turning into its gaseous form called water vapor or steam. The process of conversion of a liquid into gas is called evaporation. Okay. Next keyword is condensation. Okay. Condensation is the process of conversion of a gas into a liquid is called condensation. Here, sixth keyword is freezing. Okay. Freezing is the process in which a liquid changes into a solid on cooling. Okay, when water is cooled in freezer, okay, it turns into ice. Okay, cooling a liquid can turn into a solid, right? The process of conversion of a liquid into a solid is called freezing. Okay, and next here, first main, choose the correct options. In that A question, anything that occupies space and as mass is called. Okay, they were given four options. Okay, in that we should choose the correct option. Okay, here A first option, a solvent, second option, a solute, and third option matter, fourth option a solution. Okay, here correct option is third option matter. Anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. Okay, and here B question, particles are most closely packed in. Here first option liquids, second option solids, third option gases, fourth option all of these. Okay, here particles are most closely packed in solids, right? So here second option is correct option, solids. Okay, here C question, it neither has a fixed shape nor occupies a fixed space. Okay, here first option gas, second option liquid, third option solid, fourth option all of these. Okay, answer is gas. Okay, first option is gas. It neither has a fixed shape nor occupies a fixed space. Okay, next D question is dash can change their shape but have a definite volume. Okay, here first option gases, second option liquids, third option solids, fourth option none of these. Okay, here correct option is second option liquids. Okay, liquids can change their shape but have a definite volume. Okay, here E question, dash can be poured from one container into another. First option air, second option wood, third option water, fourth option none of these. Okay, here correct option is third option water. Okay, water can be poured from one container into another container. Okay, here F question. Changing of water into water vapor is known as. Okay, here first option melting, second option condensation, third option evaporation, fourth option cooling. Okay, here correct option is evaporation. Third option, changing of water into water vapor is known as evaporation. Okay, here G question, condensation is when. Okay, here they were given first option a solid changes into a liquid, second option a solid changes into a gas. Okay, third option a liquid changes into a gas changes into a liquids. Okay, when gas changes into a liquids, okay, that is called condensation. Okay, so here fourth option a gas changes into a liquid is the correct option. Here, second main, what happens in each of the following cases? Okay, here a question. Okay, when honey is added to water, okay, what happens? Honey dissolves in water, right? So it dissolves in water. Okay, and here B, when ice cream is left outside the freezer. When ice cream is left outside the freezer, it melts, right? Here, C question. When butter is left out on a hot day, okay? When butter is left out on a hot day, it will melts, right? And here D question, when orange juice is left in the freezer overnight, okay? What happens? Okay, it freezes, right? Orange juice is freezes. And E question, when wet clothes are put in the sun. When wet clothes are put in the sun, they get dried up. Okay. Students, here next third main is look at the following picture. Write the names of the process shown. Okay. And here they were given solid, liquid and gases pictures, right? Okay, when solids, okay, this is ice cube, right? So when solid melts, okay, it will forms liquid. Okay, when solid melting, it will form liquid. Okay, when liquid evaporates, okay, after liquid evaporation it will forms gas. When we condense gases, okay, when we cool gases, again it will form liquid. Okay, and when we freezing this liquid, it will again forms solid. Okay, students, next here fourth main. Okay, answer in brief. Okay, here a question, what is matter? Okay, answer is anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Okay, and here B question next. Okay, what are the three basic states of matter? Give an example of each. Okay, the three basic states of matter are solid, liquid and gases. Okay, example for solid is wood. Okay, example for liquid is milk and example for gas is air. Okay, next C question is list two properties of liquids. Okay, answer is liquids can flow and take the shape of the container in which they are poured in. Okay, next D question, name the process in which a solid changes into a liquid on heating. The melting process in which a solid changes into a liquid on heating. Okay. And here next E question, define the term freezing. Okay. Answer is the process of conversion of a liquid into a solid is called freezing. Okay. And here fifth main, answer in detail. Okay, here a question, write two difference between solids and gases. Here answer is solids. Okay, solids have definite shapes and volumes. Okay, Gases do not have definite shapes and volumes. Okay, and solids, okay, in solids molecules are tightly packed. Okay, in gases they are loosely packed. And here next B question, why do solids have a fixed shape and size? Answer, molecules in solids have no space to move around us. They are tightly packed. Therefore, solids always have a fixed size and shape. Okay. And next C question, explain the terms evaporation and condensation. Okay, answer is the process of conversion of a liquid into a gas is called evaporation. Okay, and next condensation, the process of conversion of a gas into a liquid is called condensation. Okay, and next D question, how is a solution formed? Give an example. Okay, answer is when a solid dissolves in liquid, it forms a solution. Okay, when we add sugar to a glass of water and mix it well, the sugar disappears and we get sugar solution. Okay. E question, what is the difference between a solute and a solvent? Give examples. Okay. Here difference between solute and solvent is solute is the substance which dissolves in liquid. Solvent is the substance, usually a liquid in which the solute dissolves. In sugar solution, sugar is a solute. In sugar solution, water is solvent. Okay. Students, in this class, we have discussed about classwork for the chapter matter, solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, all of you should write it in your science classwork book neatly. Okay, thank you, students.